Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare pawpaw and guava leaves and use it for your hair growth. Now, first of all, what you need is some leaves of pawpaw and then some leaves of guava. The next thing is to wash them thoroughly because it's an outdoor tree. It's a tree. It stands outside. There it is prone to have a lot of dirt on it, bacteria and all. So when you pluck them, you need to wash it as thorough as possible. I wash mine two to three times so as to be sure that I rid it of dust and dirt. So guava leaves are loaded with vitamins and essential nutrients that are vital for your hair. It has the ability to prevent hair loss. It can also help to maintain the optimal scalp and treat dandruff when you massage it into your scalp. The vitamin B and vitamin C found in guava leaves helps to nourish and aid your hair growth. Also, the antioxidants in guava leaves can fight off free radicals, hereby preventing hair damage. It also contains lycopene, which protects your hair from harmful rays of the sun. Now, coming to the pawpaw leaves promotes hair growth. They prevent balding and thinning of hair. It is often found in anti-dandruff shampoo because its alkaloid component is effective in removing dirt and oil from your scalp. It can also serve as a natural conditioner and bring back the lost shine to your hair. Now you can use any of these leaves separately without combining the two, but because I have the two, I am combining the two. But in a situation whereby you don't have both of them, maybe you have just the guava leaf or just the pawpaw leaf, you can use it singly without adding the other to it. Now the next thing to do is to chop it in smaller sizes, just the way you chop your vegetables at home. Now this combo, you can actually use this combo to add it to your shampoo. If you're making a homemade shampoo, you can as well use this, add these two leaves to your shampoo, or you can as well make it as a massage. So many ways you can use these two things for your hair growth, and this video is showing you one of those ways. Now after chopping it, the next thing is to transfer it to your cooking ware, that is my pot. Transfer it to the pot and add like 1 cup, 1 to 2 cups or thereabouts, depending on the amount you need. Then allow it to boil for like 10 minutes. Now after boiling, this is what it looks like. It looks darker than it was. It's before it was greener and fresher. Now it looks darker, showing that the leaves no longer have the nutrients it used to have. Rather, the nutrients are now in the water. Sieve out the water, and this is what the sieved out water looks like. You go ahead and transfer it into your spray bottle. I like using spray bottle because it is easy to manipulate. With spray bottle, you can get the water on all of your hair, depending on the way you manipulate your spray bottle. Now this is my hair. My hair is freshly washed. Please, when you're using this, apply it to a clean scalp. Apply it on a clean scalp and a clean hair. When applying, be sure to reach and get to your scalp. It is very important for it to get to your scalp. Spray your whole hair. I'm going to show you how I applied it. Spraying it on my hair, making sure that my hair is soaked in it. And also when applying, please be sure, I always say this, be sure whatever you're applying to your hair, be sure to apply it in parts, in the sense that you have to part your hair. Don't just leave your hair full like that and then start spraying stuff on it. It wouldn't get to all the parts of your hair. So you need to section your hair before you apply stuff like that, so that it will really get to all the nooks and crannies of your hair. Now after applying the water, I went ahead to use my oil to seal in the moisture, in the sense that the guava leaf and pawpaw leaf water is to moisturize my hair, to condition my hair. And then I want to apply it. See, my hair isn't all moisturized, and I went ahead to use the oil to seal in the moisture. Now I wash my hair every week, so definitely I'm gonna wash out this part. So this you're gonna use this. I use this for like 2 to 3 days in a week, 2 to 3 times in a week, 2 days interval, 3 days interval, as the case may be. After that, this is what I did to the whole of my hair. You leave it in a protective style as usual, and here it is. I am done. So this is what my hair looks like when I am done. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely week.